caught, bro. You're caught. You want the barbecue. You smell the food, huh? Yeah, y'all. So we got visitors coming in. And this is how we wind it down after the busy weekend.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's he won it again still.
Smell that barbecue, bro. That smoke already.
So yeah, we just out here trying to wind down, and I'm about to show you why, man. Check out how the past few days have been.
Welcome guys, behind the scenes.
Behind BTS, by the way. Alright y'all, so here we are, Wyndham Resort, Orlando, Florida. We got the Damn It Dan punch. How is it? Is that
Very good.
We got the Damn It Dan. Yeah, this one, this guy. And
Where are you going?
we're trying to find the pool. We got to deliver this. And yeah, so Hawai'i, Orlando, Florida. We got chilling all day. Tahitian tomorrow. We're gonna be drumming. House drummers for the competition. Plus, our girls are competing, so it's gonna be an awesome day. But until then, y'all, it's just a lot of this. Getting our steps in, I'm breathing hard. Some food, chilling. Nothing else. Beautiful out here though. Yeah, minus the hot. But check it, it's beautiful out here. And I'm gonna be honest. I'm sorry, Wyndham, if this does anything bad for y'all, but these rooms are absolute garbage. But I got real bananas, bro. Impromptu jam session. Just cause we want to jam. Why not? Bang on some drums. See where we can get going. Jeez. We were jamming. Sounding good.
Oh,
Got my boy Keeks. And I guess the girls are gonna take this time to fine tune some skills. So it starts, y'all. You saw yesterday, we killed some time. We killed a lot of time. But it's going down today. We got the fellas. It's early. Yeah, it's early.
tired.
Time to set up. A lot going on.
So like the crust out of my eyes.
Yeah, it's early. Well, nobody awake yet but Jesus and the Mexicans.
Hot as hell, too.
In there,
Feeling
in your room.
out here.
Yeah. It's humidity. Cat Williams said it. So yeah, it's going down, y'all. More to come on the setup and sound check. Such a lady.
Except for not.
Wait, what?
Such a lady.
You can see?
Oh man.
That's called a crazy lane.
Let me see my dude.
Oh, look.
Go ahead. Again, bro. Say what's
Hello,
up.
everybody. With the lipstick on his lips.
Who kissed you? Who kissed you?
He's so mean. He's mean mugging. What the hell?
He's already to the Cabo already.
Yes. Yes, we are. Even though it was all about the group and the kids and all that, today, actually,
Happy anniversary.
she's been putting up with me y'all for 8 years, over 8 years.
Yep.
I'm still alive though. A little bruised up, but I'm alive.
Whoops.
Yes. She beats me below the collar, so you can't see bruises.
Smart. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Trying to break it.
There he goes.
I don't know recording yet.
There you go. Look, he hungry.
Ooh.
Caught, bro. Yeah, so all in all, man, amazing weekend. We did a whole lot. Some of the crazy shots y'all seen came from Jackie. She shot it all, some of it. So, and we just gonna eat, chill, back to work tomorrow. More videos coming, a whole lot. I'm gonna break some of these down into better footage. You're gonna see, click all these right here. Till next time, y'all. Peace. Woo.
Peace. Subscribe to the channel.
Tokyo, say bye.
To the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.